Okay, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me because I'm in a car. And instead of doing like a graphic for my upcoming book, I decided I'm going to take a picture of me. So Sam and I are actually on our way to
Lookout Mountain.
Lookout Mountain. We're going to where?
Lookout Mountain is where we decided.
Lookout Mountain. We were going to go out to Castle Rock, or Red Rocks was another one. But Sam seems to think we can get a really good panoramic of Denver. So I'm pretty excited about that. And yeah, we need like a stand for the car.
I know.
So I don't have to hold the phone. Anyway, here we go. Crappy thing is though, I completely didn't go to the gym today.
Yeah.
I played the Xbox. Busted ass. I played 25 minutes. I burned 280 calories.
That's awesome.
My pecs, shoulders, and my legs are killing me.
You need to do it more.
Yeah, I do. Quadruple parked in the parking lot.
Yes, we are.
Sam has to fix her coffee. I have to fix mine. Put my straw on. What? See? Yeah, I need something better.
Stand up.
So I have to hold it. I should have brought my stand, just plopped it on the dashboard. It's Dutch. I prefer caribou, but you know.
I prefer caribou too, but there's not a good one.
There is. She just doesn't like it. All right.
That's the thing. It's not a good one. There is one close. It's just not good.
One of the worst parts of driving in Denver is the fucking traffic. Like 70 is like always jacked up.
I know, always.
It's been like this since like I got here in 2001.
No, it's been like that forever. Forever.
And then like, let's widen it a lane each way. And now by the time they get it done, you have to do it again.
Right?
They're all nasty.
You never been up here?
No. I haven't. You know where we're going, right?
Yeah.
What?
Basically.
Full bladder.
No, there's gotta be. There's a place. I've never actually noticed this was here because I always come up here in the dark. So this might be kind of cool.
So you think that's a bathroom?
The bathroom right there.
Oh, all right. So here we are at the park. I've never been up here before. Love the trees. I'm a big fan of trees. And we're looking for a good place to take us some pictures. Denver's over there. And I'm not sure what's over there. Didn't take us very long to get here though, about 40 minutes from where I live. Okay, so checked out the park a bit. But Sam wants to check out the what?
Other side. There's a
Denver.
little pull-off that has the view of Denver.
All right, so we're gonna go check out.
Or Golden.
I'd rather have Denver. Golden will work too. Oops, Jesus.
It's not normally open. I don't know what it looks like. up
Hard
here.
left, maybe.
I love that you were recording that. Shit, there. Fuck. Yep.
Wow.
Wow. This might been exactly what I wanted it to be.
Oh my God. Yeah. Look at that.
Cool.
Yeah. I guess we can go check that spot you have left.
It's on the way out. It's not like.
Yeah, Denver's hazy as shit.
I know, that's what I said.
Like, it's right there. Well, I think it's gonna be hazy no matter what. Come up here during a windy day and just kind of suck. Hell of a view though.
Pretty.
Yeah. Oh, I can almost see Sterling. All right, well, let's go check out the other nice place there. Saddle.
Hmm?
Yeah. There's an awesome view. Nice. I keep forgetting I'm pretty close to all this stuff. Oh, car. Well, there's Denver down there. Quite a view. Let me get right over. Probably not. Go. Okay, so I'm hoping we got some decent pictures up there, and speed bump, and I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think we got some decent ones. It'll be good to look through them and hopefully something good.
Well, I know how I want it to look in my head, but nothing ever comes out
Exactly
the way it's in my head.
Right?
Which is probably a good thing most of the time.
No kidding. I just hope we found something that's close, or that is what you were thinking.
Yeah.
I mean, I think we got some pretty decent shots, honestly.
At any rate, it was really nice to go up there.
Yeah, it was a nice something to do different.
It got me out of the house.
Yeah, it was kind of a nice, and it's not even going to be that late, honestly.
Yeah. Well, on our way home.
We should be back to your house by, I don't know, like 11:30 at the very latest.
Yeah. Well, that's not too bad at all.
No.
All right. Here we go. So there we have it. My glasses haven't transitioned. I was outside, so they look a little weird. But anyway, it was a lot of fun going up to Lookout Mountain, and I definitely want to go back up there again. Hopefully it's not nearly as hazy as it was today. It was pretty bad, but I don't know. We'll see what kind of pictures we can make with it. Hopefully it'll be something decent for the ebook, and I'll probably go back up there for the paperback. So it really depends on how I can make everything work. So I don't know. I guess we'll see. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button for more videos about self-publishing, freelance writing, WordPress, textbook, or anything else I cover. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I think that's going to do it for me today. I'll see you next time.